How to create a watch list on Robinhood. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add an options to contract to your watch list on Robinhood mobile app. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store, and if you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, use the search bar at the top to find the stock you want to trade options for. Now tap on trade and then choose trade options to see available contracts. After that, browse the contract, then tap on the one that you want to watch. Then tap the star icon. Once you are on the option details screen, tap the star icon on the top right corner. This adds to your contract to your watch list. So this is how you can add option to watch list Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.